Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So here I am at the at-home store, walking around and looking at the beautiful decor, and I thought I'd take you with me. Come on guys, let's go shopping. So guys, I got to pick up some items for gifts, and I also want to pick up some items for myself because I don't think I can leave this place without getting myself something. It's gorgeous. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. Guys, do you see what I see? I never saw anything so gorgeous in all my life. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.